Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. And Happy New Year's to everyone. Today we are going to make certain traditional New Year's dinner. And in that dinner we are going to be making a cabbage roll. In southern they eat usually greenery like a cabbage, mustard green and collard green. That's for the wealth. They say it's green is greenery for wealth. And then we are going to make black eyed peas. Black eyed peas are for the health and prosperity. Okay, so let's go see what all the ingredients we needed to make that. Okay, let's go. Okay friends, to make cabbage rolls, of course we need a cabbage, we need ground meat, we need tomato sauce. I made my own tomato sauce. I grinded all the tomatoes puree and made it. And we need some rice and we need some onions. Also we need garlic and some green chilies, some red pepper, some salt, some cumin powder, black pepper, oregano and basil. So we are going to put the salt in the rice. We are first going to go ahead and boil the rice, okay? Okay friends, to make cabbage roll, I removed a couple of the cabbage hard leaves from the top, and then we have to core this rib from the middle. We have to remove this, so we're going to cut it like this. I took the small knife so you can remove the whole thing from the bottom. Then we are going to boil it with a little salt so the leaves can get tender, softer, so it's going to be easy to roll. Okay. See, it's like this, you know, everything from there. And now we put the salt in there. In the water, my water is, I'm going to wait for the water to boil. It's already started boiling. So I'll put this in there. Okay friends, we have to cook the beef now. Mutton, meat, whatever the meat you're using. So we'll put some oil in there, about 2 spoons. And we're going to put this onions. We're going to fry some onions. Now wait until the onions get a little softer. Okay friends, onions is kind of a little bit change the color. We don't want to cook very brown. So I'm adding some garlic in there. And 1 spoon of salt. 1 spoon of red pepper. 1 spoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And coriander, basil and oregano. Then I'm going to be adding this ground beef. I'm going to add a little bit of water and let it cook for a few minutes. Then we're going to mix everything and make the cabbage rolls. And in the meantime, my cabbage is ready. So I'm going to remove the cabbage. And we can start taking the leaves, separating the leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Do not overcook cabbage. So that's cabbage, and my beans is also cooked. Okay, we can add some green pepper. We're gonna let it cook for a few minutes. Okay friends, meat is ready, cooked. The rice is ready, is cooked, and we're gonna mix rice and meat together. Let's see. I'm not gonna put all the rice because I don't want too much rice. I learned this dish from my neighbor. They make a lot of these cabbage rolls, but we like it just like that. Sometimes I make it even if it's not New Year's Eve. I make it's like a side dish. Actually, it's a complete meal because you have a cabbage, you have a rice, you have a meat, you have everything in there. So it's kind of filling if you even eat like 2 rolls. Okay, I think that's all the rice. I'm gonna put it in there. I'm not putting no more rice. See how the cabbage leaves start coming up by themselves. So once they're soft, it's easy to roll them. It's gonna be. Let's see how we're gonna remove this. Each leaves you have to remove them very carefully. See, like that. Okay, it's going to be easy to go from here. Just keep on rolling it, and they're soft. You can remove them. You can remove them like this, each piece. So let me do all of them, then I will come back. Okay, friends, I removed all of these cabbage leaves, separate them. Now we are going to start rolling them. See, you have to remove this big fat rib from here, otherwise it's going to be hard in the mouth when you're eating. So we just remove that one and put your rice in there, rice and meat mixture. Then just roll it like how we roll egg rolls, just like egg rolls. See, you can put it like this. The same. Just cut these ribs from here. Remove the ribs, veins, whatever we call it. Then some rice mixture. Just keep on folding them and put it in here like this. Okay friends, I roll all the cabbage rolls. Once this is left, still if you want you can use it. You can cut them, and actually you can chop them, put it in the bottom like this, you know, and if you want it. So if you want it, otherwise you don't have to. Or maybe put it in the middle like that. See? Okay, I'm not putting all of them. So then you put this tomato sauce. When I was grinding this tomato sauce, I put a couple of garlic and a little bit of green chilies in there. So it's going to be a little spicy. And salt. So just put it like this. That's it. Then you have to bake them on 350 degrees for half an hour to 45 minutes until the sauce cook properly with the cabbage rolls. So let's go put it in the oven and we'll. Okay friends, I covered with the aluminum foil. Then I'm going to put it on a lower rack for 40 to 45 minutes, okay, on 350 degrees. So we'll see you in 40 minutes, after 40 minutes, okay. Okay friends, let's make our black-eyed peas. I'm not making traditional way. Usually the traditional way they put ham and bacon and everything, but I'm going to be making my way, vegetarian. So in a pan, I'm adding a couple of spoons of oil, and I will add some mustard seeds, and 2 red chilies, and that is fine. It's gonna splash everywhere. Mustard seeds. Okay, all the mustard seeds are popped. Now we're gonna add curry leaves, cumin powder, red pepper, and then we're gonna put these beans in there. And salt. That's it. The beans is ready. Okay friends, our New Year's traditional dinner is ready. Let me try how it tastes. I cut it in the middle, one of them, so you can see there's the rice and the meat is there. So let's take a little bite and see. Bismillah. Really, it's very good, very healthy, very healthy. The beans, perfect. So try it. Definitely make this. If you are vegetarian or vegan, make it without meat. If you like it, please click like, share, subscribe with your friends. Maybe they might like it too. It's a new dish for most of the country. So just try this dish and let me know how it is. Okay? If you like it, please share, subscribe and like. Okay? Bye. See you in next video.